Nung nakita ko to Royal, dito pwede ako maging panalo ako dito. Hindi lang ako. Pati bawat Pilipino may sasama ko dito. Power, payaman.
Ako kasi, nung na-invite ako dito, I was just a student. Nag-aaral ako sa St. Benil, dahil sa St. Benil, negosyante na ako talaga. Pag traditional business, meron kang rentals, meron kang tauhan na madami na talagang kailangan mo asikasuhin. Meron kang binabayaran na kuryente. Dito sa Royal, 'di ba? Pupunta ka rito, 'di ba? May office ka, may aircon, may mga tauhan, lahat everything nandito na. Ang kailangan mo na lang gawin na lang yung negosyo.
Proud to be Royal!
Continue keeping up the good work and not just expanding the company but also to help Filipinos get better finances out of their franchises and make them also healthier at the same time.
Congratulations to Rial on your second year na very, very successful, and not only successful, marami na kayong natulungan na mga Filipinos who want to have a better life. You improve the quality of their lives with regards to their health, yung financial side, parang overall talaga, it's like one big happy family. So congratulations.
Happy anniversary, Royal Business Club.
More power.
More power.
Ako po si Michelle Mironek from the Coaching. I'd like to wish the Royal Business Club a very happy anniversary and may you have many more to come. Happy second year anniversary to Royal Business Club International. We sincerely congratulate you for the great achievement you have made. More power.
Masaya ako dito sa Royal kasi yung kikitain ko sa office ng isang taon sa pagiging empleyado, pwede palang kitain ko dito lang ng isang buwan. Happy second anniversary Royal, at sana magtatagal tayo at kasama ako sa Royal sa kahit anumang tagumpay. Tama ba yun?